I'm not showing you this, but I carry my flats because I love walking. I'm still not a very very technological savvy person जो notes बनाती. I'm still like a paper pencil वाला person. So I carry my laptop.
Wow, every time.
Luckily, my phone का charger और मेरे laptop का charger same point है, so I can do with it.
Perfect.
So honestly, for this segment, I've actually carried what I normally carry. So there is nothing which is not so. It could be weird at some places. You might question कि अच्छा ये भी है, but then that it is what it is. Okay.
Wonderful. We are all set to see what's in your bag. You can show us or you can get निकाल के रख सकते हो उसको बाहर.
Okay. So सबसे पहले I always carry an empty मतलब my notes के लिए book because I make my notes and everything. अगर कुछ याद आया या कुछ काम करना है something. I'm still not a very technological savvy person जो notes बनाती. I'm still like a paper pencil वाला person. So this is this. Yes. I used to read a lot when I was younger, but now somehow I don't because हम लोग podcast सुन लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं टीवी. तो जब मीनिंगफुल रीडिंग होती है वो मुझे किताब से ही करना पसंद है. मतलब सो आई एम दीज डेज ये एक्चुअली मैं कल होटल मतलब हम दिल्ली में प्रमोशन करते सो दे हैड गिवन अ वेरी नाइस नोट. आई डिड नॉट वांट टू थ्रो इट अवे. सो the team has written such beautiful words. So this I've just kept. It's handwritten, and I didn't have the heart to leave it there. I said I'll keep it in my purse for as long as I can. This is what I'm reading article. This is how great leaders inspire everyone to take action. So this is there. I love watching content. Which again I don't like to watch it on phone क्योंकि screen छोटा होता है. So I carry my laptop for that.
Wow, every time.
Luckily my phone का charger और मेरे laptop का charger same point है, so I can do with it.
Perfect. She's God's favorite child.
Yeah, and because I don't मुझे वो नहीं है कि मुझे भारी वेट नहीं उठाना है. मैं अपना हैंडबैग में अपने पर्स में भारी सामान उठा सकती हूँ, तो मैं रखती हूँ चीज़ें. दिस इज देयर and I'm going to get weird. मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है.
What is this? Oh, a dental kit.
I always carry a dental kit, a new one. Yeah. So you have generally क्या होता है, सुबह से लेके रात तक बाहर होते हैं. People like to eat chewing gum और Listerine से mouth wash करते हैं. But as I said, old school, I still like to brush my teeth. So whenever I go to a hotel, I always tell them कि मुझे ना 3-4 extra dental kit दे दो please. Because I need a lot of them because whenever I travel, I like to keep one.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
100 points for honesty.
Okay, because I brush my teeth a lot, so you need a lip tint. So lip tint. This is a lip tint, genuinely.
So this is that pH wala.
pH वाला. इससे क्या होता है कि it will give you it's like moisturizing also, and it will give you a color also. Because I don't like to wear lipsticks as such. It's very natural. And the same thing, अगर by chance मैं बाहर हूँ और important meeting आ गई, same thing I apply on my cheeks, and I do this, and I say, okay, I'm ready to go for a meeting. This is it. Then my under eyes get very dry because हम लोग AC में बहुत बैठते हैं, तो इसलिए I have my under eye का cream. This is one body mist that I have. I always use a body mist. अच्छा लगता है. Perfume मैं पहले बहुत यूज करती थी, but then I realized it's a lot of more chemicals.
Yeah.
And perfume on clothes or on body, I don't know how good does it do. So घर से I use perfume, but when I have to travel, I carry a mist. Okay. I always carry coffee. You never know, you just might need it. कोई important meeting आ गई या important बात करनी, you feeling sleepy. Because I'm mostly short on sleep, सो मुझे नींद बहुत आती है तो इसलिए मैं कॉफी जरूर रखती हूँ अपने पास. Then what else do I have? इस बैग में तो और कुछ भी नहीं है.
Money? No, online is good.
I actually stopped using a lot of cash. I use UPI. It can be very embarrassing sometimes because
Please ask me यार.
कई बार प्रॉब्लम ये होती है. I'm standing somewhere and net नहीं आ रहा है and I can't make the payment because I'm waiting for the scanner. So then people standing behind me, they look at me कि पैसे नहीं है इसके पास. तो मैं बोलती हूँ मैं actually waiting for internet. तो वो कई बार बोलते हैं मैम आप कैश दे दो और मैं वहाँ पे बोलती हूँ oh God. मैं बोलती हूँ oh I forgot to carry my wallet. But the fact is that I don't carry a wallet. Oh God,
Wow.
maybe now I will start doing it. So let's put it like that. Then उसमें एक चार्जर की वायर पड़ी है. This is it. एक shades पड़े हैं. Those are normal. And इसके अलावा I always have one bag, another bag. I'm not showing you this, but I carry my flats
Okay.
because I love walking.
Okay.
And मुझे लगता है कि if I'm going for my work, I like to go in heels because I love wearing heels. Also, it makes women feel very good. I don't know why.
Confident.
है ना confident. You
बहुत.
feel good about it. तो जब मीटिंग खत्म हो जाती है तो मैं अपने हील्स को डालती हूँ बैग के अंदर, फ्लैट्स निकालती हूँ और मैं चलना शुरू हो जाती हूँ.
I can relate to so much of this. Wonderful. That is all that we have in your bag.
Yeah, what else do we need to have?
What does your bag tell about you as a person?
Oh, it tells you that I am a multitasker and I think a lot. So that's why for my thoughts I have things. Yeah.
If you had to carry one thing to an island from your bag, what would that be?
उस आइलैंड पे वाईफाई होगा.
You never know. Island. Network नहीं आएगा या कुछ.
I think I'll carry a book and a pen. Like, yeah, like I can book as in a book that I can read
Okay.
and pen because in खाली pages पे मैं मतलब notes भी बना सकती हूँ कुछ लिख सकती हूँ.
Things that are no use but are still there in your bag.
I was traveling yesterday. I have a boarding pass. Not needed. Why is it here? I don't know. 2 charging wires
Okay.
for safety.
Okay.
Again, it's an extra baggage. कि अगर एक वायर घूम के दूसरा है मेरे पास.
Wonderful. One thing you would like to give your fans from your bag.
Oh, I can gift you many things. I have coffee.
Hmm.
I can gift you my lip color.
Yeah.
I can gift you my. Take anything. Like that way, I am not कि ये मेरी चीज है.
Yeah.
Take anything, बस phone मेरे तक छोड़ दो.
Okay. According to you, 3 most essential things in your bag.
Phone.
Hmm.
What is a phone without a charger? So charger. So money payment हो जाएगा. Travel कर सकते हो. खाना खा सकते हो. हाँ नहीं वही ना phone के through क्या क्या काम हो सकते हैं मेरे है ना. उसके अलावा flats.
Flats. Perfect. Lastly, before I let you go from here, अगर आपको मौका मिले किसी बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी के बैग इन्वेड करने का, तो वो किसका बैग इन्वेड करोगे आप?
बहुत है यार. बहुत है. 1 minute later. Oh God.
Okay, let's make it easier for you. अगर ये काली काली आंखें के कास्ट
हाँ.
में से किसी का आपको बैग इन्वेड करना होगा तो किसका?
मैं विक्रांत का देखूंगी सबसे पहले. विक्रांत का देखूंगी. ताहिर का नहीं, विक्रांत का.
विक्रांत का. Okay.
विक्रांत का देखूंगी क्योंकि शिखा के फोटोज तो नहीं है. शिखा का कोई कांटेक्ट या कुछ उसके आसपास कोई मेमोरीज तो नहीं है. अगर वो है तो उसको फेंक दूंगी और पूर्वा की डाल दूंगी.
I love how she's so much into the character अभी भी. Thank you so much for coming to us, Anjali. It was lovely having you here.